Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch video brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 17th of September. This is just a 3 or 4 minute video really where we look to identify some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. Just before we begin, if we could start as we always do with our just a couple of notices. If you'd like to connect with us, feel free to do so through our social media channels currently up on screen. And just to let you know, what we offer our traders is a live trade room every evening at 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday. So do go to a website if you want more information on that. We've also got our 2% per week signal service that is performing really well, and we do every aspect of us trading these markets is done so with complete transparency. So the idea is you get to benefit from, I suppose, the knowledge and experience of profitable traders and traders that have been in this market a very long time. We also have this particular video that we launch and make available on a daily basis. And also every Thursday we have our trading mentorship webinar as well. So we've got a lot of products and services available for you. So feel free to get in touch. Do go to a website if you do have any questions on that. It's go to the www.thelivetraderoom.com for more information. Let's start then with our risk warning. As always, of course, take note of the risk warning currently up on screen. And let's get in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities that we'll be looking at for the day ahead. So for this, we'll get up our trading platform. And the trade that we've identified, and we're very conscious, we've seen some significant moves over the course of yesterday in the oil markets, and some of the we've seen some gaps in some of the equity markets and in the safe havens as well. So a little bit of I suppose a choppy day or a kind of an erratic day from a price action perspective. But what we've seen in the euro pound as this market open up looked like it was going to bounce off its lows and start pushing higher, and then we saw the reversal. So we're now in a situation where we started to see the sellers start to come on board again, take control. We've had yesterday we had Boris Johnson meeting some European leaders, it didn't really go that well, but I suppose the fundamentals are really quite messy. But what we've alluded to is the fact that this market is telling us what's happening. The market certainly believes that the UK will do a deal, irrespective of a lot of the rhetoric that we're hearing from Boris Johnson and his government. So that's what interests us. So we do like to see this market break below the 88.49 level, and if that's so, that gives us a high probability trade to extend this market lower. Now we do have the 88.26. It is a slightly longer term level of support resistance. So we might provide some support around this area, but if we break through that, then we're really down to the 86.93. So a nice gap and a potential move lower, and that's what we'd be looking to capitalize on in the euro pound. Okay, so that just about concludes then today's daily trade watch video. So if you'd like to connect with us, feel free to do so on our social media channels. We do have webinars, live trade rooms every night for 30 minutes at 9 p.m. Monday to Thursday. We have our 2% per week signal service available to our members. Of course, this video released daily, and every Thursday we do have our trading mentorship webinar where we discuss any facet of these markets to improve your knowledge and understanding. And any questions whatsoever, feel free to go to our website, www.thelivetraderoom.com. There is membership options there as well, and very affordable ones at that. So I do feel free to join us. And thank you very much for joining us for this video. And we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.